During daily SCCM health check, we often encounter that SCCM client check is failed for many clients. That is, SCCM core client components are not functioning well in the background. So what we need to do, how to troubleshoot this, let us see in this video. Like in this picture, you can see all of the clients have failed the client check result. So you can see the column, it is listed as failed. For a specific client, you can check the bottom pane also by selecting it, and the client check result would be shown as failed. Now let us see how to troubleshoot this. So you need to open the task scheduler. It can fail due to many reasons, but mostly you will see the configuration manager health evaluation task will be queued. So you just need to right click the configuration manager health evaluation task and click on run. So the task would be ready and then it will run. And this is how you can troubleshoot this error on daily health checks. For the logs analysis, you can check the logs under C drive Windows CCM and then CCM able task.log. Thank you for learning. For more such technical videos, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe it. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can directly contact me on the given email on the card and I would definitely respond. You can also comment and I would definitely respond. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.